to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Dixon and Burns around 3:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. White Bluff around 3:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Pegram around 4:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Ashland City around 4:10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Charlotte. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 185 and 191. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.